this loading? Is it recording? Okay. Well, welcome back to another earthquake video for recent feelable earthquakes. So let's get this really waking up. So, 6.5 magnitude earthquake hit 67 kilometers south of Tanaga Volcano, Alaska. Happened at 5:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, about 10 minutes ago, and a depth of 35 kilometers. So, yeah. If you felt it, let me know in the comment section below and from where. No point to zoom in, it did happen in water. And, well, that's it. See you next video. Bye.